Hey guys. All right. So, the skill that I want you to work on today is 9KW. It's spelled the long A word, silent E, A-I, A-Y. So, this is an example. Listen to the word, then spell it.
Listen to the word, then
Then
spell it. Pay, pay.
Pay. So the long A sound is the sound of the letter A saying its name. The long A sound can be spelled a few different ways. So you have to remember which spelling to use. Some long words are spelled with an A followed by a consonant and a silent E, like the word cape, cape, or shake. So it has that silent E at the end. And the A has a consonant next to it, in this case P, and on shake it's the letter K. Some long words, are spelled with an AI. You usually find AI at the beginning of a word or in the middle, like the word aim or male. Some long words are spelled with an AY. You usually find AY at the end of a word, like like hay or tray. So the letters P-A-Y spell the word pay. The long A sound in this word is spelled with an A-Y. So that makes it a little bit different than other ones. So that's the skill you're going to work on today.